Tired of seeing irrelevant or outdated contacts clogging up your Aisensy and hindering your marketing efforts? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to delete imported contacts from the Aisensy app, ensuring a cleaner and more effective contact list. First, open the Aisensy app on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, look for the Contacts or Audience tab. Euro might be labeled slightly differently depending on your version, but it's usually found at the bottom or side of the screen. Tap on it to access your contact management area. Now, to easily find the imported contacts you want to remove, you'll need to filter your contact list. Look for an option like Filter, Import Source, or something similar. This will allow you to narrow down your contacts based on how they were added to Aisensy. From the filter options, select the specific import source you want to delete. For example, if you imported contacts from a CSV file last month, select that specific import. This will display only the contacts from that particular import. Now that you've filtered your contacts, you should see a way to select multiple contacts. Look for checkboxes next to each contact, or an option to select all on the current page. Once you've selected all the contacts from that import, look for a Delete or Remove button, and tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete these contacts. Read the message carefully to ensure you are deleting the correct contacts. If you're certain, tap Yes or Confirm. And that's it. The selected imported contacts are now removed from your Aisensy account. Your contact list is now cleaner, more accurate, and ready for your next marketing campaign. Remember to repeat these steps for any other imported contact lists you wish to remove.